told you that one simple food eaten before bed could help you sleep deeper, protect your heart, support muscle strength, balance blood sugar, and even reduce nighttime leg cramps? And yet, most seniors never eat it. In fact, many avoid it because they've been told the wrong things for years. Today, we're revealing the bedtime food doctors quietly recommend to adults over 60, especially those struggling with sleep issues, nighttime bathroom trips, muscle weakness, high blood pressure, or morning fatigue. And here's the best part. It's inexpensive, it's easy to find, and you probably already have access to it. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know what it is, why it works, who should avoid it, and exactly how to eat it for maximum benefit. Let's begin. Section 1. Why bedtime nutrition matters. After 60. After age 60, your body changes in ways that most people never talk about. Melatonin production drops, muscle mass declines, blood sugar becomes more unstable, nighttime urination increases, recovery slows, deep sleep decreases. And here's something most seniors don't realize. What you eat before bed directly affects how well your body repairs itself overnight. During sleep, your body repairs muscle tissue, regulates hormones, balances blood sugar, strengthens immune defenses, clears waste from the brain. But if your body lacks the right nutrients at night, this repair process becomes weaker. That's why doctors increasingly recommend a specific nighttime food, especially for adults over 60. The bedtime food doctors recommend. So what is it? Plain Greek yogurt. Yes, not ice cream, not cookies, not crackers, not cereal. Plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. Before you click away thinking that's boring, let me explain why this simple food is so powerful. Section 3. Why Greek yogurt is so powerful before bed. Greek yogurt is unique because it contains slow-digesting casein protein, magnesium, calcium, probiotics, tryptophan. This combination makes it one of the most powerful nighttime foods for seniors. Let's break it down. Section 4. It feeds your muscles while you sleep. After 60, muscle loss accelerates. This is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle decline. Loss of muscle leads to weakness, falls, slower metabolism, loss of independence. Greek yogurt contains casein protein, a slow-digesting protein. Unlike fast-digesting proteins, casein releases amino acids gradually over 6 to 8 hours. That means your muscles are being nourished the entire night. Multiple clinical studies show that consuming protein before bed improves overnight muscle repair, especially in older adults. For seniors who don't eat enough protein during the day, this can be a game changer. Section 5. It supports deep sleep, naturally. Greek yogurt contains tryptophan, the amino acid your body uses to make serotonin and melatonin. Melatonin controls sleep. As we age, melatonin production drops. That's one reason seniors wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. But here's what happens. When you consume tryptophan along with calcium, also found in yogurt, your brain absorbs it more efficiently. Result, better sleep onset. More stable sleep. Fewer midnight wake-ups. No sleeping pills required. Section 6. It may reduce nighttime leg cramps. Many seniors experience leg cramps at night. Often this relates to magnesium deficiency, calcium imbalance, muscle fatigue. Greek yogurt contains calcium and small amounts of magnesium, both important for muscle relaxation. While it's not a miracle cure, many seniors report fewer cramps when they improve evening mineral intake. Section 7. It helps stabilize blood sugar overnight. One major reason seniors wake up at night? Blood sugar swings. When blood sugar drops too low during sleep, your body releases stress hormones. That can wake you suddenly, cause racing heart, create anxiety, lead to early morning awakenings. The protein and healthy fats in Greek yogurt slow glucose absorption. This helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, especially when eaten alone or with a few berries. For seniors with type 2 diabetes, stable nighttime blood sugar can improve morning energy. Always consult your doctor if you have diabetes. Section 8. It supports gut health. Your gut bacteria influence immune health, mood, inflammation, even sleep quality. Plain Greek yogurt contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria. As we age, gut diversity declines. Adding probiotic-rich foods may help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. And digestion matters before bed. Heavy, greasy meals disrupt sleep. Greek Greek yogurt is light yet nourishing. Section 9. It may support heart health. Calcium, potassium, protein, and probiotics all contribute to cardiovascular balance. Studies suggest fermented dairy foods may support healthy blood pressure levels. For seniors with mild hypertension, a small portion of plain Greek yogurt at night may be beneficial, especially if it replaces salty snacks. Now to Section 10. But avoid this mistake. Not all yogurt is equal. Flavored yogurts can contain 15 to 25 grams of added sugar, artificial sweeteners, thickening agents. Sugar before bed causes blood sugar spikes, nighttime awakenings, increased fat storage. Choose plain unsweetened full fat or 2% unless your doctor says otherwise. No added sugars. If you need sweetness, add a few blueberries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, crushed walnuts. Section 11. How much should seniors eat? You don't need a large bowl. About half to quarter cup is enough. Eating too much protein late at night may cause discomfort. Moderation is key. Section 12. Who should avoid it? Greek yogurt may not be ideal if you have severe lactose intolerance, have dairy allergy, have advanced kidney disease, protein restriction, experience reflux triggered by dairy. If dairy doesn't work for you, alternatives include cottage cheese, kefir, unsweetened soy yogurt with added protein. Always consult your healthcare provider if unsure. Section 13. Why doctors beg seniors to eat it. Doctors see patterns. They see frailty, falls, malnutrition, sleep disorders, muscle wasting, and many of these problems connect back to low protein intake. Many seniors eat toast for breakfast, soup for lunch, light dinner. Total daily protein often falls below recommended levels. Adding protein before bed is one of the simplest interventions with strong evidence. That's why many physicians encourage it, especially for older adults at risk of muscle decline. Section 14. What happens if you do this for 30 days? If a senior consistently eats plain Greek yogurt before bed for 30 days, they may notice more stable sleep, less 2 to 4 a.m. wake-ups, stronger morning energy, reduced muscle soreness, fewer nighttime hunger cravings. Results vary, but consistency matters. Section 15. The bigger lesson. The real message isn't just about yogurt, it's about intentional nighttime nutrition. After 60, you don't bounce back like you did at 30. Your body needs support. The hours between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. are when hormones reset, muscles rebuild, brain clears toxins, immune cells activate. Give your body the tools to repair. Section 16. Pair it with this habit. For maximum benefit, eat your yogurt 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Then, dim lights, avoid phone screens, take 5 slow breaths, keep bedroom cool. Food works best when paired with healthy sleep hygiene. Section 17. What about weight gain? Many seniors fear eating at night causes weight gain. Truth, overeating causes weight gain. A small protein-based snack may actually reduce next-day overeating. Protein increases satiety. Better sleep also regulates appetite hormones. Section 18. What doctors say about skipping night nutrition. Some seniors stop eating after 6 p.m. For certain individuals, that's fine. But for underweight or frail adults, going 12 to 14 hours without protein may worsen muscle loss. Night protein intake can be protective. Section 19. A simple bedtime formula. If you want a simple nightly formula, half cup plain Greek yogurt, 3 to 5 blueberries, sprinkle of cinnamon, 5 crushed almonds. That's it. No complicated diet, no expensive supplements, no prescription required. Section 20. Final emotional close. If you're over 60, your body deserves care, not neglect. Small habits make massive differences over time. You don't need extreme diets, you need smart consistency. Tonight, before reaching for cookies, chips, or skipping food entirely, consider something different, something simple. Something doctors quietly recommend. Your muscles, your heart, your sleep, your independence. They all depend on what you do consistently, not occasionally. If this helped you, tap like. Subscribe for more senior health insights. And tell me in the comments, do you struggle more with sleep, muscle weakness, or nighttime leg cramps? I read every comment. Remember, growing older is automatic. Growing stronger is intentional. See you in the next video.